Good morning. Today is Friday, December 16th, 2022. I am over here at the Florida Gun and Tackle Club, and I was out here to do zinc installs for Overbooked. There was a diver plate and two R4s that the previous note said needed. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what they currently look like and why I'm not going to be changing them out. And then I'll double check the rudder zincs and see if those are R4s that might need to be changed. But let's go ahead and check it out. So just to double check, I checked one of the rudders, and the rudders do not have zincs on them. So the R4s and the diver plate must have been changed within the past few months, so it might have been an old note. But thank you for choosing DS Dive.